Hello, how do you do? It's nice to see you again. We are in the new year 2026. So, happy new year. We're going to start making a new project. We are going to develop this project, building an artifact with the help of artificial intelligence. So this is my page. You know, already know my page, tutorial.pro resources, and then you go to the last project, that is this one. And here we have the project. Okay, we're going to access the project. This video is going to be in this place, and this is what we are going to do. Okay, we are going to ask for help to the artificial intelligence to build something like this. Look, this is the artifact we are going to build. Let's open it. We're going to use an internet, and this is the game. So I'm going to tell guess my name between 1 and 100. It can be maybe 20. Higher, okay, maybe 30. Oh, higher, 50 maybe. And higher, oh, okay, it's maybe 70. Oh, boop, 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 boop. Higher, oh, it means 80. It's higher, oh, okay, 90. Dun, 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 dun. Less, okay. 85. It's bigger, okay. 87. It's bigger, 88. Okay, I did it in nine tries, so not so bad. Okay, we are going to build this using just artificial intelligence. We don't, you don't know how to write code to develop software, but with artificial intelligence, sometimes to build some artifacts it's not necessary to know how to develop some code. Okay, so we are going to our page, and I'm going to ask to the artificial intelligence model this prompt, okay, to build my artifact. I'm going to the maybe this. Let's use this one. Which one is this? Is DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek is a Chinese language model. You know that you have many models. If you go to the internet where you can see how many models of artificial intelligence we have, for example, you have Gemini, you have Claude, you have ChatGPT, one of the most famous. So you can use DeepSeek. We are going to try the Chinese model DeepSeek. Okay, here I have, and I'm going to tell DeepSeek this. Build a game to guess in the number from 1 to 100. Make it interactive and visual. Important. Use HTML. And I want to copy to a block of notes, something like that. And then DeepSeek is going to have our petition, and it's going to write code. It doesn't matter if you understand or not what is this, because it's a programming code. The thing is that artificial intelligence is going to give you the artifact. Artifact is a thing, is something that you can use immediately. It doesn't matter if you know how to programming in a specific language, or it doesn't matter if you know how to program. So it's interesting that you can have it and use it immediately. Yeah, that's what we are going to do. This is the programming. Maybe you can understand some things that you can read here. Maybe you don't understand anything. The thing is that you are going to use the product. So artificial intelligence is working for you. Okay, it's making the titles, the subtitles, making the rows, the columns, where everything is going to be um, located, okay, and the rules of the game. um, Continuous writing, and then I'm going to have a product, okay. I'm going to have a product, and that product is the thing that I want to use, is the thing that I want to start using, okay. So it's now artificial intelligence is finishing the game. It's an easy game. You are going to improve it, creating more rules, okay. So it's going to have a hint also. That's a good idea. It's something made by the artificial intelligence model, okay. Here we have, so okay, now I have it here. Okie dokie. If I push here play, now I have this already made. What do you think? The game is ready. Let's try. Guess the game, guess the number. I'm going to put 21. It's too high. Oh, it's 12. It's okay. Too high. Try with a lower one. Maybe it's 9. Okay. No. With a lower one. Here say it's a lower one. Okay. Let's try with 8. No, 9. 7. Whoosh. 6. 5. 4. 3. Okay. Congratulations, you guessed the number. 3 in 9 tries. A new record, of course, because the first one. So I have my game ready. It's easy, but I can improve this. I can tell DeepSeek, or maybe if I am using ChatGPT or Cloud, it doesn't matter. You can ask, okay, the game is ready. I can ask, for example, this instruction. I can say, agrégale un add, yeah, a clock. Let's see what happens. Now is adding the necessary code to have these clocks, okay. So now I have added my stopwatch, my chronometer. So I'm going to try again. If I push here, if I do click here and execute, so now I'm going to have, you have here, and you can add many things more. Let's play. 34. Oh, too high. Okay. 22. Oh, too low. It's 30. It's too high. 26. I did it in 4 tries. Okay, this is my time, 24 seconds. And now I want to add 3 levels. Okay, I'm going to add 3 levels. Look, I'm going to add 3 levels. Add 3 levels: easy, medium, difficult. Okay. And so I can do many things to improve my artifact. This is an artifact. It's something that you can use. I'm going to teach you how to export this, and maybe you can send this to a friend, to your parents, or someone that you want to play your game. So yeah, do it, and it's going to work again. It's going to write the code and add. It's the same code, but it's adding the new functions that you asked for. Now I asked for this stopwatch, and now I am asking for 3 levels. Maybe it's going to be around here. the level. So let's wait. It's going to be very fast because it's a short artifact. Okay, I'm going to make a click here, and then yeah, you can see you can choose your level. I'm going to work an easy one. So are you sure you're going to change the level? Yeah, I'm going to change the level. Easy. So maybe 2, let's guess. Maybe 10, let's guess. Maybe 30. Maybe excuse me, maybe 40. And it's too high. So 35. Is it? Yeah, it is. This is my time. And I have the records for level. Look, everything is better. Every time is better. Okay, that's an artifact, huh? It's something that you think, is something that is in your mind, but using artificial intelligence as a tool, you can make this real. Huh? So now I'm going to take the code. I'm going to take the code, I'm going to copy the code, I'm going to open a notepad, and I'm going to create new. I'm going to paste the code here. I'm going to put a name, save as. I'm going to name my game guessing game. Guessing game.html is the language, and here I'm going to put all files. This is important, all files. Here is .html and here all files. I'm going to save this, and let's see, guessing game, where it is. Where are you? Maybe it's over here. Yeah, here it is. I'm going to open this with any of the internet navigators. I'm going to open with Google Chrome. Let's see, Google Chrome, and here it is, working. And oh, now it's running, so I have to play it fastly. Yeah, 34. Oh, yeah, too low. 78. It's too high. 60. Okay, so you can play in Chrome. I'm going to open this with Firefox. Let's see. Here you are. You can choose the level, everything like you know already. Okay, so you have to send me this. You go to my page, tutorial pro resources, and then here you have okay, you can send me over here. You get into the project, and then you choose here, and then you choose the guessing game, open, and then you send me. Put your name, your level, and then you send me, and then you have a message saying it's everything okay. The idea is that you use artificial intelligence, like we use DeepSeek, the Chinese artificial intelligence, to build a complete game. You can do many other games, so that's part of your imagination. This is an example. You have to do your own great project using artificial intelligence, and you already know that you don't know how to code. You don't know anything about programming and languages, but you just use this artificial intelligence as a tool, and that's enough. So I'm going to wait for your project and see you soon. Bye bye.